Hey everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to do a review on a product that I was asked to do. You know, I do what I'm told. I thought I'd better get out here today because it's a beautiful day today. But tomorrow's supposed to have a massive rainstorm. It's supposed to rain all weekend, which, you know, we need the rain. So, the company is... Let's see. I've got to spell it for you. Y-I-F-E-I, Direct, from Kentucky, Lexington, Kentucky. So you can see, look at the big box. But it's light. And this gentleman asked if I would mind reviewing the product. And being I am an RVer, I thought, this one's right up my alley. So let's check it out. It's supposed to be a little table. Now you can see this poor table. This has been through the ringer. But you know, they've gotten really expensive. That's why we still keep using it. I mean, all the paint's peeled and everything on it. But we still keep using it because I don't want to pay, you know, like, I think they're on $40 now. When we used to get them at like $7.99. So let's see what this is. It came from Amazon. Now, I'm not being paid to do this either. I just get to keep the table. Oh, wow. Look at all this. What'd you think? Good packing job, Amazon. Okay, and then we get down here, and here is the table. A cute little bag, good for traveling. Just throw it in one of the slots under the motorhome. It's an aluminum foldable, lightweight, small size. This one here, this just tells us what it is. Got a roll-up top, waterproof bag, family cooking, hiking, sand picnics, low mini compact. Excuse me. It'd be funny if one of the neighbor cats comes out to check. If it'd be anybody, it'd be Smokey coming out to see what I'm doing. I haven't really seen anybody today, which is unusual. And yesterday we only saw Smokey. Oh, let's get rid of that big box. Ooh. See, it's sectioned off. And two sides to it. So here's oh, this looks like, this must be the part that goes down because it kind of looks like. Ooh, ooh. Okay, well that opened pretty easily. As you know, I'm a little bit challenged when it comes to opening things. And then on the other side of the little slot in there is, look at this, isn't that pretty? It is really light. So it's got these little, undo these. Kind of like, you know, the hair clips we use. Let's see. Looks like it goes this direction. What's it hook on? I guess it hooks on that part. There's no directions. I almost need somebody out here to help me with this. One leg looks like it's sticking loose, like it's loose. I'm supposed to do something with this. I don't know, it looks like, maybe I should put it up here so you can see what I'm talking about. There's an extra, I don't know if you can get like another part to go up here, this little cover, I don't know, but it goes down there. So this is, you know, like I said, it's foldable, but expandable. Let's see. Looks like I gotta. Let's do it from this side. Love the color of it. It goes good with my furniture out here. Oh, there goes one. There goes the other. Turn it around. Looks like I need to. It's together, and I did it myself. Now, it looks like it needs to be. See how it's not tight across, almost like it needs to open up more. Nope. Oh, I see what that's for. That helps undo if when you want to undo it, you push it up and it'll unpop it. But my question is, how do I get this to go up more? Just won't spread out enough. Oh, there's another one of those. Oh, maybe I pull these. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm sure once you get it together, it works great. But I did figure out how to flatten it more. Those that little extra pull. Pull that. Push it back over. Now remember, you got a very challenged old lady here trying to do this. I'm sure if Bob had been doing this, it would have been put together a lot faster. But just the fact that I figured it out without any directions, that's pretty darn good. Now we need to pull it. So, I don't know. I'll have him do it, but you know, I like it. Cute. Here for you to see it. That doesn't go there. There. Oh, okay, that's how it works. A lot better if you have it on a flat surface. So that's how it is. Look at that. What you think? So, pros and cons. The pros, it's small, it's compact, and it fits in this cute little bag, which, you know, when you have to throw a lot of things underneath your rig into the, you know, underneath it, you want things to be safe because they will get banged around. You know, like if you slam on your brakes, everything goes. So it comes in this handy little bag. It would help if there were directions. Let's see. Well, I should wait till I get to the con for that. Okay. It's very lightweight. That's a good pro. This lady in her 70s figured it out, that's a pro. I love the color on it. I think it comes in varying colors. So, the cons. The only con that I can see is there's no directions. I want to make sure it's not stuck to how many feet of stuff. Nope. So otherwise, yeah, I like it. I'll put what the price would be if I were to buy one. So remember, it's EDEUOEY, E-D-E. It's either U or the O-E-Y. It's the product, and it comes from. Well, I said in the beginning because it's on the box, and I already threw the box over there. No, I'm not gonna be able to see in there. So, but yeah, I put all the info on the screen here. So, I'm a happy camper. And it's bouncy. Oh, I wonder if these. I don't know. We'll figure it out more when we use it, but we will take it with us, and we will use it. Trust me. So, comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a super day. I love you all. Bye.